Happy Scalefest Friday. Today we're going to work on our chromatic scale. And in particular, we're going to work on our left and right pinky combinations as it relates to the low E, F, F sharp and G sharp. And I'm going to show you how that hard work down low will pay huge dividends as we move up at the register key and play B, C, C sharp, D, and D sharp. So let's dig in. So starting with the low E, let me encourage you to go ahead and start with both pinkies activated, left pinky on the E key, right pinky on the F. Now we're going to lift our left pinky up, and now we're performing an F. So that one pinky lift is all I needed to open up that key and create an F. As I'm playing the F, I'm going to take my left pinky key and slide it out and find that F sharp key. At the right moment, I'll depress the F sharp key, boom, and now I'm ready to go. As I'm depressing the F sharp, I'm going to lift my right pinky key off of the F, and now as I lift my left hand too, I have a G. I'm going to take my right pinky key and I'm going to move it up to the pinky key closest to my ring finger and activate the G sharp key. Now look closely, I'll do that slowly. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. Let me play it for you slowly. Now, if that combination, if that pattern is new to you, go slow as you need to be perfect, as slow as you need to perform it without error. Again, remember that as you're practicing, you want to stack good reps, perfect reps. They're deposits in the bank. Every perfect rep earns you $1 in the bank of awesome. Every incorrect rep, you're going to withdraw too. So you got to stack perfect reps. It's better to go slow and perfect than it is to go fast, filled with error. Let's do that together. Ready and go. Let's go faster. Ready and go. And even faster. Ready? 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 Slow and steady wins a race. And then once you have it, you'll never forget it. It's like riding a bike. Now here's the cool thing. Bonus pro tip. I can activate my register key and use the same pinky combination. And now I'm going to play a B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. Only difference, I've activated the register key. Once I'm comfortable, I can speed it up. When working on the chromatic scale, I highly recommend you break it down into smaller bite-sized chunks. 5 notes, 6 notes, no more than 8 notes at a time, and make sure that you're playing each note with the correct chromatic fingering to facilitate speed and comfort at a faster tempo. Eventually, as you get into high school and beyond, you're going to want to be able to play your chromatic scale effortlessly at a very rapid rate. You can have some fun with the chromatic scale. I would love to help you get ready for your next big audition. We have courses for the middle school and the high school soprano, clarinet, all-state etudes. We'll help you with your scales, your etudes, and your sight reading. And during the month of September, you can use the coupon code KICKSTART to save $15 on our course. The course is over 75 minutes of measure by measure, note by note, detailed instruction on how to play these etudes, scales, and sight reading with excellence. If you're interested in private lessons, I'd be happy to help you there too. The links are in the description below, 5starmusicacademy.com. Check us out. We would love to help you get ready for your next big audition.